Society relies on farmers to provide nutritious foods and also to manage our landscapes. But at the same time, collectively, we face huge challenges in terms of climate change and in terms of resilience. Farmers are going to be absolutely central to tackle some of these challenges. They're going to power the climate-neutral bioeconomy. In agricultural science at the University of Galway, we encourage students to think critically about what a sustainable, resilient and prosperous farming sector will look like. Well, on this programme, students will come in and they'll study with other first-year science students to get the basics, the foundations in science. In the second year, they go on to study modules that we deliver with Teagasc, where they go on to Teagasc facilities and farms. In the third year, then, students will do a placement for 3 months, and in that placement they'll be embedded in a farm or an agri-food enterprise. And in the fourth year, students will come back and they'll try to integrate all the knowledge from the programme into farm plans which specifically look ahead to the future.
Today we're in Teagasc. We're doing about calving difficulties. So we got to look at the cow simulator and we got to do hands-on work. I think it'd really stick more in my head now that we've actually gotten to experience it in person rather than just learning about it in lectures.
I'm currently finishing off my 12-week placement. It's great to be on a farm, just to put theory into practice of what you've been learning in college and get hands-on experience with it.
On the second half of the third year, the students are going on the organised research placements. They actually see what is done in the best training research centres. They also see how this research is translated to farmers, and they know how to apply it afterward in the real-life situation.
I think it's really good to put what you've learned into practice. You meet loads of great people wherever you're working, and it's nice to see how other organisations do things.
Farming has changed quite dramatically over time, largely in response to market signals, but also to policy. We try to understand on the programme how farming has changed and why, and then we try to understand where we need to go to deliver solutions to our big societal challenges, and we try to understand how we can make that profitable for farmers to deliver those solutions.
As part of my teaching on the undergrad in agricultural science programme, I am bringing results, information from the research laboratory right through to the classroom. And this includes new changes in terms of legislation on greenhouse gas emissions and how we can meet these ambitious targets. So students can be involved in that transformation and understand how we can ensure the sustainability of our thriving agri-food sector here in Ireland.